Do what it do, Honesty Camp, man. Y'all already know it's your boy, Honesty Mari, back at y'all again, man, with another legendary video, man. But today is a special video. As y'all see, man, take a look around. Well, not all my cars is gone, but most of my cars is gone. That y'all seen in the garage. I sold them. And as y'all see, the famous Dodge is gone. It's empty, man. It's empty. The Dodge is gone. I know a lot of you guys wanting the Dodge, man, inquiring on the Dodge. But yes, man, I had to send it to somebody special, man. My beautiful niece is in high school right now, getting ready to graduate, man. So, you know, she got to pull up in style. We're getting the Dodge together for her so she can be in high school, shutting it down, man. Congratulations, niece. I hope you enjoy the car. It's on its way to you. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show the video of her receiving her car too. So that's why I don't want to put the video out already, because I only had the footage of me sending the video to Houston so my niece can collect her car, man. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get to this video. I have so much stuff I gotta do today, man. Your boy lost the keys to the Camaro, man. I lost the keys to the Camaro. I don't know what happened, how it happened. I don't know. My Camaro been down for about maybe like a week or so, man. And I'm like, I ain't buying no more keys, man. I ain't spending that much money on no more keys because I'm gonna find my keys. And I didn't find my keys. So guess what? I had to buy some more. So today, they're gonna come fix the Camaro, man. But with further ado, don't forget, man, before you guys head out, smash that subscribe button. Smash it, man. Smash the subscribe button. But let's get to it. Let's head to Houston, man. Let's see my niece receive her vehicle, man. I know she's gonna be happy about it. I know she's excited to get it. She was waiting a couple of weeks for it. It's been sitting in my garage. But niece, Unc love you. It's on its way. Let's get it. Oh, saying bye-bye to the Dodge, man. Yeah, it's about to be outro. Get out the way. I see it, gang. The Dodge is on his way to Houston, baby. On his way. Probably get piled up. Man, my driveway looks so empty now. I just got this little blue one over here. It's all right. My other car's in the shop. But it's on his way to the H, man. Y'all see it. It's on this way. It's on this way. It's on this way. So hurt, gang, man. My keys, I don't know where they at. It's a nice truck, man. I like this truck. I ain't even gonna flex. Damn, they're hot shotting it. It's a clean truck. Getting it ready. Let's out of here. Bye-bye. Locking it on up. Man, let's get his information. Y'all know we get a lot of cars, so man, look, hit the information, hit your boy up, man. Hit your boy up, information right there. Y'all need y'all car shipped to anywhere, around anywhere. There y'all go, man, you got it. I see it. Oh, we'll hook up. And it's gone. Look at the Camaro over there hiding. Bye to the Dodge. I'd have been scared to drive that thing up there like that. So I'd have been scared to drive it up there like that. I might be thinking I'm gonna fall on that motherfucker. Like, no. Ooh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And it's gone. Just like that. It's gone. Bye-bye. Little thumbnail. I like this setup though. You can fit like 2 more cars in. No, one. Now that I look at the space, one. Nice and clean. I know my niece is gonna love it as soon as she get it. I'm already knowing. I know I'm probably looking rough, gang. I've been doing these cars, cleaning these cars. Oh, this is kind of flat too. Whoop, kind of flat a little bit. That's all right.
Okay, buddy.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye, y'all. All right, gang. Get out of here. Well, he said it will arrive tomorrow afternoon, so niece, you can expect your car tomorrow afternoon. As a matter of fact, I'm not even gonna drop this video yet until she gets her car, and then she can send me a clip of her receiving it, and you guys can see her getting her car. But it's out of here, man. Bye-bye. See you when I hit Houston. Yeah, all right, man. So I'm talking about. All right, gang, let me get up in this house, man. Dang, look at this Camaro. Why is my Camaro so dang on dirty, man? Oh yeah, because my keys is lost and I can't drive it. I can't move it till they come make me a new one. All right, gang, I'll see y'all in a minute. Get my ass up here, man. Boom, we still got that blue thing in there. We still got cars at the shop. We still got this blue thing in there. I need to get rid of ASAP. Oh, we got a YouTube mobile. Feel me? It's a YouTube mobile. I'm gonna have to drop a video with this thing too, but this thing is crazy. Up in here, gang.
It arrived. For real.
Tight on there.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down, cause it's coming too fast for me. Baby, don't try it, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys leave you topless. They get crazy around here in my section. All of my ops get to stepping. Know how long I had prayed for these blessings. Took my